made up, put together, a bunch of flavors.
So we wanted to take something that we really enjoy, like
Tostadas and Mexican food and American food, and bring all the cultures together.
And so now we came up with something really interesting. You've never had it before, you've never seen it before, because we came up with it. Called Beef and Potato Shawarma Tostada. We have the Angus, US Angus beef. Beautiful, beautiful, tasty, flavorful beef. And we have US potatoes. So we're gonna cook the beef, and we're gonna just fry it up with a little salt and pepper, and we're going to boil the potatoes in a little bit of salted water. The other thing that you need to do is that if you want to do it with the normal tortilla, you know, still delicious, but we decided to do with the little mini tortilla cups. Once you fry it, it becomes the tostada. Wait, we forgot the latino, right?
Beautiful.
Again, it's fusion. So we're taking the refried beans, which is traditional to our Tex-Mex, right? And we're taking the American cheese, which is also traditional to our Tex-Mex. Wonderful and fantastic. Cheers. And to you. Ramadan Kareem.